Hi, this is Bobby Hester on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. In this next clip, we're going to be discussing how to clean a CRT monitor properly. CRT monitors are a little more hardy than some of the LCD or plasma monitors. They've actually got a glass tube. It's a vacuum tube, and being that it's glass, it's a little more hardy. You could actually use Windex or something like that. But I still prefer to use the electronic wipes on the monitor just to prevent any dust. And I noticed that the electronic wipes really suck up the dust very well off the monitor. So you just scrub the monitor. This one in particular needs to be cleaned all the way around. We can use the wipes on every part of the monitor, and just really sucks up that dust real quick. And you just discard them and throw them away. Like I said, if you want to use Windex or whatever on the screen itself, that'd be great. It worked fine for a CRT monitor. You don't necessarily want to do that with a LCD or plasma television. So I'm going to just get all the spots off there. And then if you want, just get a soft cloth. And if there's any little hanging pieces, you can just kind of buff them out and get your real nice slick finish and get all the little last stragglers of dust off the monitor. And there you have it. We have a clean CRT monitor.